Unraveling the Why. Understanding character motivations. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another video in our series on reading comprehension strategies. Today, we're focusing on understanding character motivations, a key aspect of inference and interpretation. By the end of this video, you will learn how to use textual evidence to predict and understand why characters act the way they do in a story. Character motivation refers to the reasons behind a character's actions. It's what drives them to act, speak, and think in certain ways. Motivations can be simple or complex, and they often reflect a character's desires, fears, or moral compass. In literature, understanding character motivations can provide a richer, deeper understanding of the story and its themes. Character motivations are often not stated directly but need to be inferred. They can be revealed through dialogue. What a character says or doesn't say can provide hints about their motivations. Actions. A character's behavior can reflect their internal motivations. Internal thoughts. Some stories give us access to a character's thoughts, helping us understand what drives them. Interactions with others. How a character relates to others can reveal their motives. When making predictions about character motivations, always rely on textual evidence. You might ask, how can I do this? Here are some steps. 1. Read carefully. Pay attention to the details about a character's actions, dialogue, thoughts, and interactions. 2. Ask questions. Why is the character acting this way? What do their words reveal about their motives? How does their interaction with others reflect their motivations? 3. Make predictions. Based on the evidence, predict the character's motivations. 4. Check and revise. As you continue reading, see if your predictions hold true. If not, revise your understanding based on new evidence. Remember, your interpretation may vary from others, and that's okay. Literature is subjective and allows for multiple interpretations. The important part is to have evidence from the text to support your inferences. To illustrate these points, let's go through a practice exercise. We'll use a brief passage from a fictional story. John pushed through the bustling crowd, his mind only on one thing: finding his younger brother. He could feel his heart pounding in his chest as he searched frantically, each passing second amplifying his fear. Can you identify John's motivation in this scenario using textual evidence? That wraps up our lesson on understanding character motivations. Remember, this strategy is crucial for making meaningful predictions and inferences about a story. Keep practicing, and soon you'll become an expert at delving into the heart of every character's actions. As always, happy learning, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more.